Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G67 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option which is called Personalize. Now let's tap on this, let's say first section or first toggle, and as you can see now we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So here we can either enter our own photos and set one as a wallpaper, or we can use something from curated images, so just tap on it. For some reason we will be transferred to this section again, so just tap on more wallpapers, and again we've got our gallery, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. You need to have the internet connection in order to be actually able to download something from this section, but no worries, they are free of charge. So let me choose maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper if it is the one that is pre-installed or your photo, and now after tapping on it you will be able to change the position of the wallpaper. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide how you want to show it. If you're happy, just tap on this tick icon. It will be also immediately applied to the home screen and lock screen. I mean, if you will change something on the home screen, it will automatically be changed on the lock screen. So now let's just tap on set wallpaper in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. So you can mark the option that you'd like to use. I think I will set it on both options, so let me tap on set. And now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.